Hey everyone, how's it going today? I hope you're having a great day. What I have for you today, I have the crypto bubbles, and then I have a little bit of the technical side of Bitcoin, and then get into the XRP news. That's what I'm going to provide for you in this video. So let's jump into it. I'm just going to look at the three sisters and H-bar today. Bitcoin, of course, we're right at 85,000, which is a good sign, and I'm going to get into some technicals here with Bitcoin in a few minutes. Let's jump into Ethereum. 2,187. You can see the high here and the low. We're hovering just above the low. And then XRP, let's check it out. We are at $2.15 is where XRP is. Now let's jump over here. H-bar, it has a 13% gain. The low was 20 cents, the high is 23 cents. It's right there at the high for today, which is pretty good. I'm invested in all four of those cryptos. So let's look over here at Bitcoin. Of course, this is the 4 hour. We see a dip. Here it bounced to 78,970 was the low, and that was about 2 days ago. And we had a nice green candle here to get it back up to 84,000. And of course, see where we're at. We're at 85. Oh, wrong. We're at 85,000. So we're doing really well. That 78 that I showed you, it's going to be a key or a critical point. We should keep bouncing off of that. Hopefully we don't go lower than that 78,000, because if we do, I'm telling you right now, it could drop all the way to $68,000, and we don't, of course, we don't want that. But I think we're about to become, here we're real bearish, and I think we're going to become real bullish again. And I believe within the next 2 or 3 days that we can bounce up to 88,000 there within the next 2 or 3 days, especially if we get a nice green candle like this. We can bounce back up to that $88,000 mark. And the reason I'm giving the analytics or the technicals on Bitcoin is that we know pretty much everything else follows Bitcoin. So let's continue to bounce back. Hopefully we can. Now the third thing I want to get into is the price predictions. Of course, there's one price prediction here that says XRP can climb to $3. And the reason that they're giving this estimate is because of the Brazilian ETFs that have just gone out. And well, once they put those ETFs into place, get those out on the market, well, then we could see a spike up to $3, and I think it was 11 cents was the actual prediction. So that's the reason I wanted to show this article. There's the $3.11. that I was getting at. But Ripple could be a $24 target, and that's, of course, once the regulatory green lights are approved, it could reach $24. So that's going to be really nice if it does. And they're saying that this can hit it by 2025, towards the end of this year, is what the prediction actually is. But we'll have to wait and see. Do I think it's going to hit $25 by the end of the year? No, I do not. I think it's going to be more, $10. But do I hope it's 24? Absolutely. I'll take 24 any day. I'll take 24 today. But of course, a more reasonable prediction would be somewhere in the $8 to $13 range. And like I just said, I believe that'll be more around the $10 range is what it will reach once the lawsuit is settled and those ETFs are approved. So let's move on to the next. XRP price to hit $8 with the outcome of the SEC case. So when does it hit $8? That's the big thing. Does it hit it the day of? Does it hit it within 2 or 3 days? Now, if it hits $8 the day of the SEC lawsuit, do I see it hitting $24 at the end of the year? Absolutely. So those are some things to think about, to take into consideration. But that's pretty much what I have for you today, are these predictions. And I want to show you something that's pretty neat. If you haven't seen the crypto calculator, it's on coinstats.app. You can Google crypto calculator, and you can bring up this crypto calculator and kind of see what you would be making, and it's pretty on spot. Of course, here I've been playing around with it. Investment by price, that's my average, and then if it hits $24, I will profit $24,000. So I was playing around with that earlier. Let's see what happens. 8, so 6,000, so 3 times the money. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't liked the video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Tell me what you're invested in. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Remember to treat each other like you want to be treated. And until next time, I'll see ya.